Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my YouTube channel Calculus and Mathematics Learning. In the previous video we commenced and started with chapter number 5 sets and function exercise number 5.5 5.1 in which we are done with question number 1 and question number 2. Today we are going to solve question number 3. Question number 3 tells that if u is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to 20 and a is equal to 2, 4, 6 to 20 and b is 1, 3, 5 to 19 and c is empty, then the first part tells they find a complement and the second part tells they find b complement. Complement is equal to subtraction of the given set from the universal set is called complement. Just like find a complement, so we can write it just like solution. According to the definition of complement, subtraction of the set, which is a in this case, from the universal set, universal is u. So this is actually a complement of a. So u is 1, 2, 3 to 20 minus a. A is 2, 4, 6 to 20. So those elements which include in this set and not include in this set will be actually our reference. So 1 is included in this set and not included in this set. This is our answer. 2 is included in both sets. Therefore, this is not the answer. Those elements which included just in this set. So 3 here and here 5 and goes up to 19. This is the complement A. Now we are going to find B complement part B. So B complement can be written as just like A complement can be written as u minus A. So B complement just write just like u minus B. So u is 1, 2, 3 to 20 minus time of here it is A, so here it will becomes B. So B is 1, 3, 5 to 19. So all those elements which include in this set and not include in this set will actually be our reference. So 1 included in both sets, this is not the answer. 2 is included in this set, not included in this set, this is the answer. 2, 4, 6 and goes up to 20. So this is the complement of B. This is the answer. Move to third part. It tells that find C complement. So C complement can be written as u minus C. So u is 1, 2, 3 up to 20. Minus time of C. C is empty set. Empty set. So those elements which include in this set, not included in this set, are all those elements. So 1, 2, 3 to 20 is our answer. 1, 2, 3 to 20. Move to fourth part of the question number 3. It tells us find A complement union B complement. First we are going to find complement A and complement B. So complement A will be equal to u minus A according to the definition of complement. U is 1, 2, 3 to 20, 1, 2, 3 to 20. Minus time of A is 2, 4, 6 to 20, so 2, 4, 6 to 20. So though all those elements will include in this set and not included in this set will be our complement A. This will be our difference of the set. So 1 is included in the first set, 3 is included in the first set, and 5 is included and goes to 19, which is included in this set, not included in this set. This is the complement A. Now we are going to find B complement using the same formula, u minus B. U is 1, 2, 3 to 20 minus time of B is 1, 3, 5 to 19. So all those elements which include in the first set, not included in the second set, will be our reference. So 1 is included in both sets, this is not a reference. 2, 4, 6 goes to 20. This is the difference. So this is B complement. Now we are going to find A complement union B complement. So putting here the values, A complement is 1, 3, 5 to 19, 1, 3, 5 up to 19 union B complement. B complement is 2, 4, 6 to 20. 2, 4, 6 to 20. So union means that all those elements which include in both of these two sets will be our union. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and goes to 20. This is the required answer to the given A complement union B complement. Move to fifth part of the question number 3. Find A complement intersection B complement. Here in this question we do not need to find A complement A B complement again. But here it says present. Now put these values in here and find the intersection of these two sets, so A complement and B complement, is equal to A complement we already found, which is 1357 to 19. Intersection in the middle. B complement we already found, which is 2, 4, 6 and 20. 2, 4, 6 goes to 20. Now intersection are all those elements which is common in both of these two sets. So 1 and 2 not common, 3, 4 not common. There is no common element in both of these two sets. That's why our result will be an empty set or null set. Now move to sixth part of the question number 3. It tells us find A complement intersection B. A complement is this values and B is this. So put here and find the intersection of these two sets. So A complement intersection B will be equal to A and complement, which is 1357 goes to 19, intersection, and B is 135 to 19. So intersection is all those elements which is common in both of these two sets. So 1357 to 19, 1357 to 19. These all elements are common. That's why our result will be 1350 goes to 19. This is our result. Now move to seventh part of question number 3. It tells that find A complement union C complement. A complement is given, but C complement is not given. First we are going to find C complement. C complement will be equal to U minus C according to definition of complement. U is 1, 2, 3 to 20. 1, 2, 3 to 20. This is difference. So minus O, and C is empty set of. So all those elements which include in the first set, not included in the first set. So all those elements will be our required C complement. So 1, 2, 3 to 20. Now put C complement and A complement here and find the required result. A complement is 1357 to 19. 1357 to 19. Union C complement is 1, 2, 3 to 20. So 1, 2, 3 to 20. Union all those elements which are present in this set and this set. This will be our union. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 5, 7, 19, 1, 2, 3. So all those elements from 1 and goes to 20. This is our required result. Move to 8th part of the question number 3. It tells that find A intersection C complement. So putting the values and find the intersection between these two sets. So A is 2, 4, 6 to 20. So 2, 4, 6 goes to 20. Here is a intersection sign in between, and here is C complement. C complement is 1, 2, 3 to 20. So find the intersection of these two sets. This will be our required result. Intersection is common element between these two sets. So the common element is 2, and here is 4. 4 is present in this set, and here it is 6 and 6 is present in this set and goes to 20. So all the even element in these two sets will be our intersection of the A intersection C complement. So this is the required result. Now move to the 9th part of question number 3. It tells that find C complement intersection C. So putting the values and find the intersection between these two sets. C intersection is 1, 2, 3 to 20. So 1, 2, 3 to 20 intersection, and our C set is empty set. So intersection is all those elements which is common in both of these two sets. So the common element in this set and this set, there is no common element. So that's why our result will be an empty or null set. Move to 10th and last part of question number 3. It tells they find B complement union C complement. Putting the value of B complement and C complement over here and find the union between these two sets. So B complement is 2, 4, 6 goes to 20. Here is union in between these two sets. So and C complement is 1, 2, 3 goes to 20. So union is all those elements which is participating in both of these two sets. So our union will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and goes to 20. This is our required result. Move to the last question of exercise number 5.1. Question number 4. Union U set is equal to 1, 2, 3 to 15, and set A is 2, 4, 6 goes to 14, and set B is 1, 3, 5 goes to 15. These are the set of R number, these are the set of even number, these are plus 15 natural number. We are going to find there are 8 parts in this question. So part 1 tells that find A complement union B complement. First we are going to find the complement of A. We know that complement of A is equal to U minus A. So our U set is 1, 2, 3 goes to 15. This is the U, and minus or time of A is 2, 4, 6, so goes to 14. Now here is the difference sign. So difference sign means that all those elements which is participating in the first set and not included in the second set will actually be our difference of these two sets. So 1 is present in the first set, and 3 is present in the first set, and 5 is present in the first set. Now move to 15. This will be our complement of A. Now we are going to find B complement by U minus B is actually our B complement. U is 1, 2, 3 goes to 15. 1, 2, 3 goes to 15. Minus time of B is 1, 3, 5, 4 and goes to 15. Now all those elements which is included in the first set and not included in the second set. So even number is our answer, which is 2, 4, 6 and goes to 14. This is the B complement. Now we are going to find their union. So put here A complement, B complement and find the required union between these two sets. So 1, 3, 5, 15 is A complement, 1, 3, 5 and 15 and union time of B is B complement is 2, 4, 6, 14. So 2, 4, 6 and goes to 14. So union all those elements which is participating in both of these two sets. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and goes to 15. So 1, 2, 3 and goes to 15. This is the required result. Now move to the second part of the question number 4. Find A complement intersection B complement by putting the values of A intersection A complement and B complement and find the intersection between these two sets. So A complement is 1, 3, 5, 4 and goes to 15 and here is intersection sign in between these two sets, and B complement is 2, 4, 6 and goes to 14. Now intersection are all those elements which is common in both of these two sets. So the common element here is 1, no common, 3, no common, 5, no common, and it means that there is no common element. Why there is no common element? Because this is the set of odd number and this is the set of even number. That's why they are not equal. That's why the result will be in a null set or empty set. To the third part of the question number 4, it tells that find U complement. U complement means that we already learned the definition of complement, that subtracting the given set from the universal set, that will be our complement. So here the set is U, so subtract it from the universal set U. So U minus U, it automatically gives us a 0, because we know that same number just like 2 minus 2, it gives us 0. That's why the result will be in a null set or empty set. To the fourth part of the question number 4, it tells that find this is pi complement. Pi means there is no element. So pi complement can be written as U minus pi, which is equal to U is 1, 2, 3 and goes to 15 and minus time of pi. Pi means there is no element, so here we take off phi. So the difference means that all elements which include in this set and not include in this set. So 1, 2, 3 goes to 15 is included in this set, not included in this set. That's why the result is 1, 2, 3 and goes to 15. This is the result. Move to the fifth part of the question number 4. It tells that find B intersection A complement, putting the values of B is 1, 3, 5 and goes to 15. Here is intersection sign and A complement we find 1, 3, 5 goes to 15. So 1, 3, 5 goes to 15. Intersection is all those elements which is common. So 1, 3, 5, 15 and 1, 3, 5 goes to 15. So this is common. That's why our result will be 1, 3, 5 goes to 15. This is the required result. To the sixth part of the question number 4, find B union B complement, putting the values and find the union between these two sets. So B is 1, 3, 5 goes to 15 union B complement. B complement is 2, 4, 6 and goes to 14. So 2, 4, 6 goes to 14. So the union will be the same element or the combined element in between these two sets will be our union. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and goes to 15. So 1, 2, 3 goes to 15 is our union between these two sets, B union B complement. Now move to the seventh part of the question number 4. It tells that find A intersection A complement. A is 2, 4, 6 and goes to 14 and here is intersection sign, and A complement is 1350, and 135 goes to 15. So intersection means that the common elements here is it is a in even set, and this is in odd set. That's why there is no common element, so our intersection between these two sets will be a null set. To the eighth and last part of question number 4, and this is the last question of exercise number 5.1, with which the exercise will be completed. It tells that find A union B complement. So our A set is 2 power 6 and goes to 14. And here is union sign, and our B complement is 2 power 6, so 2 power 6 and goes to 14. So union will be all those elements which include in both of these two sets. So this is 2 power 6 14, this is 2 power 6 14. So this is the common element. That's why our solution, our result will be 2 power 6 and goes to 14. So this is the required answer. With this question, I finish my lecture. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon for the latest and upcoming videos of mathematics. Thank you.